Hello friends, I am Dr. Nitin Salunke, Associate Professor at Adarsh College of Pharmacy, Vita. Welcome you all to this session on online teaching using Google Classroom and Google Forms. Learning outcomes. Upon completion of this course, the learners will be able to create a Google form. The learners will be able to collect information easily and efficiently. They create online surveys and quizzes and send them to students. The learners will be able to ask various types of questions. Google Form. Forms are among the internet's most versatile tools. Whether you need a contact form or a checkout page, a survey or student directory, a form is all you need to easily gather that information. With Google Forms, it only takes a few minutes to make one for free. Google Forms, along with Docs, Sheets and Slides, is part of Google's online apps suite of tools to help you get more done in your browser for free. It's easy to use and one of the simplest ways to save data directly to a spreadsheet. And it's the best sidekick to Google's Sheets spreadsheets. When you need to gather data for your spreadsheets, a form is your best friend. In this session, let's take an in-depth look at Google Forms. This session is divided into two parts. In first part, we will discuss on what is the Google Form, what are the applications of Google Forms, what are features of Google Forms, and what are benefits of Google Forms. And in second part, we will discuss on how to create Google Form. This process is divided into three steps. In first step, we will see how to set up a new form or quiz, and in second step, we will see how to edit and format a form or quiz, and last step, in that step, we will see how to send your form to students. Now, what is the Google Form? Google Form is a survey administration app that is included in the Google Drive Office suite along with Google Docs, Google Sheets and Google Slides. Google Form, it is a tool that allows collecting information from users via a personalized survey or quiz. The information is collected and automatically connected to a spreadsheet. The spreadsheet is populated with the survey and quiz responses. In October 2014, Google introduced add-ons for Google Forms and that enable third-party developers to make new tools for more features in surveys. In July 2017, Google updated Forms to add several new features. That is intelligent response validation. Intelligent response validation is capable of detecting text input in form fields to identify what is written and ask the user to correct the information if wrongly input. Users can request file uploads from individuals outside their respective company with the storage cap initially set at 1 GB, which can be changed to 1 TB. Now, what are the applications of Google Forms? Students and teachers can use Google Forms to make surveys, quizzes, event registration sheets also. Along with these academic applications, you can use these Google Forms to create customer feedback surveys. You can use these Google Forms to create job applications also. you can use the Google Forms for the order forms, to prepare order forms and time of requests and more. What are features of Google Forms? You can use the Google Forms to make questionnaires, custom forms, drag and drop, reorder questions, add images and videos, real-time response information, and automatic summarize. What are benefits of Google Forms? Google Form, it is a free online tool that allows you to collect information easily and efficiently. With Google Forms, you can create surveys in few minutes to ask your students, clients, or collaborators information about your products or service. So friends, this is all about the just information about the Google Forms. Thanks for watching these videos. Wish you a happy learning. Thank you.